Hello from me, Vitor. Today I'm going to show you how to use the bulk send message functionality of AutoOrder software. You start by clicking Edit Message button and writing a template for message you would like to send on every single buyer that you have in eBay, at least to the buyer that you select. You can use those tags here that I've created, name and address. They will be replaced with the corresponding buyer's name and address. For example, if we write hi and name of the client, this will be replaced with hi Christy when it's sent to the buyer. Just need to write name, like on the example. You can write thank you for your purchase, positive feedback, help us to grow our business, and it will be sent to every client with his own name. For example, if you want to ask for feedback or write something else, or just write you are awesome. After that, you click save and the message is saved. When we click send message button, let's try it out. For example, this. When you click send message, the message is sent through eBay to the client. You can do the same for every client as well. Sometimes the message don't show up immediately in the send section, but we can try that. Here is the message that we sent earlier. Thanks for watching.